Hi, I'm Adam from Adam's Bake Shop, and today we're going to be making a vegan tempura battered zucchini flour that's stuffed with cashew cheese. We're going to use Praise Light mayonnaise to make a vegan sriracha dipping sauce. First things first, we're going to make our zucchini flour filling. We're going to cut some herbs, parsley, dill and oregano, Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, pepper, olive oil, dill flavored cashew cheese, which is a perfect alternative to dairy cheese, and just some chopped cashews. Stir all ingredients together. Now we open up the zucchini flowers. Be very delicate when you do this. Spoon the mixture inside. You don't want to overfill it because when it fries it might fall to pieces. The tempura batter needs to have some aquafaba to replace the egg whites, so all we do is drain out some chickpea juice. We can put it onto the mixer for 10 minutes. Now that that's done, you can see it's nice and light and airy, like egg whites would be. We're going to mix rice flour, bicarb soda, White Wings corn flour, and some sparkling water. The key to having a light and fluffy tempura batter is to do this at the last minute. At this stage, we want to mix in some of the aquafaba to make sure that it's even more light and fluffy. Dip the zucchini flour in some White Wings corn flour, then dip it in the tempura batter. Put into the deep fryer and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The key to a good tempura batter is to have a white, light color. It doesn't want to be too golden brown. For the dipping sauce, we're going to mix Praise Light mayonnaise and some sriracha hot sauce. Stir well to make sure that all the sauce is incorporated into the mayonnaise. So there you have it, there's our tempura zucchini flour stuffed with cashew cheese. This is perfect to go in the middle of the table as a tapas dish and everyone can enjoy.